Hello, and welcome to Georgetown Manor PA, where we have spacious and comfortable apartments available in South Williamsport. Today we'll be touring an apartment we're offering fully furnished at 365 Girio Terrace. Entering the front door, you have a coat closet on the right side and a spacious living room area that's about 260 square feet with all new carpeting throughout the unit. This living room comes furnished with all that you see here: reclinable leather couches that are in great shape, lamps and end tables, rocking chair, corner lamp, and TV stand. Adjacent to the living room is the eat-in kitchen. This furnished kitchen comes with garbage can, Keurig, and microwave. There's a brand new light fixture above the kitchen table to brighten up the space, as well as a spacious pantry for food storage. Right down the hall is the separate closet with the washer and dryer. Laundry appliances are included with this home, as well as all of our other apartment units. Here we have the bathroom with new bright light fixture, a large sink and vanity, and new vinyl flooring. Full-size tub with shower here as well, and the shower curtain that you just saw is included with this home. Right outside of the bathroom is a linen closet for extra storage. Moving into the first bedroom, this room has a large bifold closet. This is a queen-size bed that comes with the apartment. The chest of drawers and lamp you see here are also included. Sheets are not provided, but comforters shown on each bed are included. And lastly, we have the bedroom suite. This room includes a king-size bed, TV stand, dresser, and lamp. You also have a huge walk-in closet in this room. And here's a view of the balcony and exit to the parking lot at the back of the building. Thanks for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.